Want to become a notary in New Hampshire? Here's your complete guide for 2026. Here's the great news. New Hampshire does not require an exam to become a notary public. The requirements are straightforward. You must be at least 18 years old and either a resident of New Hampshire or a resident of a bordering state who is employed in New Hampshire. And here's something that really sets New Hampshire apart. There is no surety bond required, making it one of only a few states in the country without a bond requirement. The application fee is $75, and your commission lasts for 5 years. One unique aspect of New Hampshire is that you'll need endorsements from existing notaries or other qualified individuals as part of your application. Remote online notarization has been authorized since February 2022, so you can serve clients remotely. New Hampshire notaries can charge up to $10 per notarial act, providing a clear earning structure. Let me walk you through the step-by-step process. Step 1. Confirm you meet the eligibility requirements. You must be 18 or older and a New Hampshire resident, or live in a bordering state while working in New Hampshire. Step 2. Gather endorsements from existing notaries or other qualified individuals who can vouch for your character. Step 3. Complete the notary public application through the New Hampshire Secretary of State's office. Step 4. Pay the $75 application fee. Step 5. Submit your completed application with endorsements for review. Step 6. Once your commission is approved, obtain your notary seal and journal, and you're ready to start. Since there's no bond to purchase, the process is faster and more affordable than in most states. 5 things that make New Hampshire a great state for notaries. First, no exam required and no surety bond needed, making New Hampshire one of the most affordable states to become a notary. Second, the 5-year commission term provides a solid period to build your notary business. Third, remote online notarization has been available since February 2022, letting you serve clients from anywhere. Fourth, you can charge up to $10 per notarial act, giving you a clear and fair fee structure. Fifth, border state residents who work in New Hampshire can also qualify, expanding the pool of eligible applicants. With no bond and no exam, New Hampshire removes 2 of the biggest barriers to entry. Ready to become a New Hampshire notary? Get your free complete guide with step-by-step instructions at openexamprep.com. We have free notary resources and study materials for every state. Start your notary journey today.